How to upload 360 videos on Vimeo. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can upload 360 videos on your Vimeo account. To do so is the same procedures in uploading normal videos on your Vimeo account. So what did you do first? Log in into your Vimeo account and then click on the upload option, or you can go to the left side of the screen, click on your library, and then once you're on your library page, move to the top right corner next to your profile icon and click on the new button. Then click on upload. Whichever one is fine. So after clicking on upload, you will revert to the upload page. On this page, click on choose files. But before now, ensure that the video that you want to upload is in a rectangular format, which is the standard for 360 videos. Okay, ensure it is already in that particular format. Then once it's in that format, just go ahead and select the video that you'd like to upload, then click on open. And so you wait for it to load. All right, and then once it is uploading, you'll be redirected to the next page, okay, where you can track its uploading process, and then you can edit the title, you can see the description, you can add a thumbnail, you can add tags, categories, and then the last part is recorded in 360. So ensure you put on this toggle. All right, by putting on this toggle, can now go ahead and select the kind of 360 setting it is. If it's monoscopic or stereoscopic, ensure you select it, and then you are good to go, just like that. But wait for the video to be well optimized and you are good to go. So this is how you can upload 360 videos in Vimeo. It is very simple, so ensure you try it out. Thank you for watching.